So Ali and I are currently in Prague, and we're heading to our Czech press event today. Ali was nice enough to join me this weekend from Dublin, and so I was like, okay, we're gonna go to the press event together. And this is like our first work event together in a really long time. And so without further ado, because we're maybe, you know, a little bit tight on time, we're gonna rush through this little tutorial. So, shall we? Okay. So I'm starting with my tinted cover in the shade 3.5.
Number 4.
I'm just placing a little bit on the back of my hand. Oops. I'm just gonna tap this everywhere. My favorite thing about our tinted cover is how natural it looks on the skin.
I love the smell.
I know, it smells amazing. Like
Very soothing.
It has a lavender essential oil, so it's gonna help de-stress and relax the nerves. And I love how it just evens your skin tone, yet it still looks like skin. And that's the goal. Usually I use 2 to 3 pumps of this for a little bit more than sheer coverage. And Ali likes it really, really sheer.
Yeah, I only use 1 to 2 pumps.
I like a little bit more coverage, especially like around my nose and my chin area, because that's where I get more redness. And then I'm gonna go in with Tinted Blur. I'm using 4.
Me too.
We're both a 4. And I like to use this to add a little bit more coverage, but also blur. So this is gonna help blur those areas where you wanna look a little bit more soft focused, a little bit more matte. So I find that it just gives me more of like that instant filter, soft filter effect. Looks good.
Okay.
Looking good.
Looks like we're matching today.
Love my Sunkissed. We always like to look a little bit bronzed. So we're gonna place this. I love how we place it in different parts of the face.
Well, we have different face shapes.
Yeah, so like, I guess, why do you like placing it in the center of your face?
I like getting that really natural tan look, so like flush cheeks kind of.
And I like looking a little bit more sculpted, meanwhile still giving me that tan look. So I'll blend it up into my hairline and just blend it on top of my cheekbones as well. And I find that that also contours my face. By the way, I'm using our Nude Sticks Blend and Buff brush, which is amazing because I can blend out little precise areas, larger areas.
Gotta get that.
It's just so
jawline.
easy to use. Yeah, get that jawline. I like to take a little bit more Sunkissed and just kind of swipe that right on the apples of my cheek for a more dramatic look. I take a little bit on my nose as well. Right here.
Just a little spot right
Thank you.
You're good.
We're good. So I'm using our Nudies Lash in the shade in the Nude and just kind of really, really lightly swiping that on the apples of my cheek.
Do you have cherry blossom?
Cherry Blossom, babe? I do. You find that in the Nude, it's just a little bit peachier, brightens my skin.
Pariah. I'm gonna use all over the eye.
Pariah is from our Nude Beach kit, and you can also find it in a 3-piece mini kit. I'm gonna be using our Magnetic Matte Eye Color in the shade Fig. And I'm just gonna use it on the outer corner of my eye.
Going in with Rustic Grotto from the same kit.
Rustic Grotto is like a very beautiful, like bronzy copper tone. I love it. Also very similar to, like, if you want something similar in full size, then you can find it. It's similar to Rustique. What are you using? Oh, 24 karat Goddess.
Yeah, matching.
I'm gonna use this a little bit on my lids. And I love our magnetic nude glimmers because obviously they give you a really nice natural glow. They're gonna set down on the skin, so they're not gonna move. And I like popping it on all the high points of my face, because I like to look super glowy. So next we're going in with some eyebrow stylus. Alright, what shade are you using?
I think I'm
Dirty Blonde?
Dirty Blonde, yeah.
Same. And I love this pencil. So you have a triangular pencil tip on one side. So this is going to help line, define, and fill the brow. And then I'm going to use the gel, the waterproof setting gel on the other side, which Allie is currently using. And it's going to set your brows down in place all day. Okay, Allie, why do you love this mascara?
Well, I love the mascara because it's just that perfect classic black mascara. It goes onto the lashes super nicely. When you wash it off, you don't need any like oily or harsh makeup remover. I really don't like oil makeup removers on my face. It makes me feel super yucky. Yucky. Oh, if you keep it close to the lash line for 30 days every day, then it has biopeptides in it that grows and thickens your lashes, so that's always key.
Yeah, it's a great mascara. I love it because I have super sensitive eyes, and so this mascara is hypoallergenic, meaning it'll never react to our mascara.
It's also great if you wear false lashes, because since it removes super nicely, it won't tear your lashes apart.
Yeah, because there's no oils. That's also not going to solubilize the lash glue. All these fun facts. Okay, I'm starting with our cream lip and cheek pencil on Mystic.
I'm just going in with Nude 02, Nude Lip Glace.
So this is Mystic, really creamy and soft. And then I'm going in with the same product Allie used, which is Nude Lip Glace in the shade Nude 04. And just use it on top.
And I'm back. Sometimes I like to just add in a little bit of Nude Cherry, same Nude Lip Gloss, just to pump it up a bit.
So these are our final looks for our event today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little sister makeup tutorial. Bye!